Alright, we're working on a 1979 Datsun 280ZX. Most people throw these away because they don't know how to rekey them. I'm just going to show you how to open one of these up so you can replace the wafers. And this usually applies to a lot of even modern Nissans. There's a roll pin. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. It's a roll pin right there. First thing we're going to want to do is drill it out. We're going to start with a small, we'll start with a small bit and then work our way up. You should probably use a center punch, but I don't have one right now. So we'll just put my drill in, okay. So we're gonna go kind of next to it. Don't go all the way through. You don't want to go all the way through because you'll damage the lock cylinder. So we're gonna go ahead and get a bigger bit. Just want enough to be able to stick a tool in there to pry it out. Oh, maybe let's see me. Looks like the pin's coming out slowly, just be careful. I don't know if you can see it coming out, but it's starting to lift up out of there. There we go. See, it's the roll pin. Put that in a safe spot. Now the next thing you gotta do is get this face cap off. I like to use a flathead, like a small flathead, and then start where the buzzer connector is, like this part. We'll put it in and start twisting and go around it. Go to the other. Can't even tap it out, I guess. Face cap. It's interesting. This one doesn't have the connector. There's usually like a tailpiece. Should just be able to slide it out. Remember the orientation. This it's weird, I don't know where the tail piece is. It's supposed to be a supposed to be something like this. It's supposed to be something like that on the back of it. I don't know, some of these ears I don't know if this ear has one or not, but there's this, to get the cylinder out, there's this little retainer that you push down. Just push it all the way down. I don't know if you can see that little wafer. Make sure it's all the way down. Let's try to maybe put a blank in here just to hold the wafers. Maybe hold the blank or a key in there just to grip onto the wafers. But we're gonna try to, I don't know if you can see that. See me pushing? Try to slap off. See that? Put the housing aside. Got to get that retainer wafer down just far enough so you can clear the housing. Let's see if I can zoom in. I don't know if you can really see what I'm doing. I'll come over here off camera. I want to say that it comes out this way. I want to say that it comes out this way from the back, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to push it out. Try to do it without the key. Yeah, see, that tailpiece should sit right in this groove. There we go. Looks like it's starting to go through. You can see it, but pushing it out. So this little retainer here in the front is what's holding it. So you have to push it down and then slide it up to the back. These wafers look interesting. I don't know what year this is. It's not normal. But that's how you take it out. These wafers are not stamped. You might want to use like depth keys to figure it out, make a little kit. But you could rearrange the wafers if you're going to rekey it. That's how you do it.